coming from finance, I personally think that finance is an extremely strong way to start your career. It sets you up very well on three fronts. One, it gives you a very, very strong analytical foundation that brings a lot of trust and credibility on any other career that you go for later. Even though I don't do financial modeling on a daily basis, I understand how it works. I can give guidance to someone on my team on how to go about it. And in general, you just earn a lot of credibility, which becomes very important as you go senior in organizations, that people want to trust you to actually, when you say I'm championing this idea, they want to trust you, and they trust you if you have done certain kind of work over your first 10, 12 years of your career. So that's one, in terms of your analytical foundation and trust. Second is you become very good at understanding the external dynamics. What's happening in the market? If you're talking to a Suzuki, you understand what's happening in their financials. You understand what should be the right pitch to them. Why should they work with Uber at this time? And because at the end of the day, you can't just go and ask, this is what I want from you. You have to make it meaningful to them. And you make it meaningful if you understand how companies work and how executives think and what matters to them on their stock price, on their positioning, on their earnings calls. So I feel like that becomes, that is a pretty strong skill to develop from finance. And third thing is, while finance is all about numbers and deals, the one thing that I feel I learned a lot and I have leveraged a lot at Uber is how to do large scale things. So if you've learned how to do a large deal at a large bank, you know how to bring 5 different stakeholders together. A deal is not just done as an M&A deal. It requires equity stakeholders, debt stakeholders, compliance, legal, and whatnot. So once you've figured out how to do large scale things, keep people focused and kind of fit the jigsaw puzzle and keep everyone engaged over its final outcome is the skill I feel like I use the most actually at Uber.
Finance